questions we get asked all the time is, what is the difference between sanitizing and disinfecting? And quite simply put, the difference between sanitizing and disinfecting is the number on the back of the bottle. It's the contact time or the dwell time. I took the numbers and wrote them on the front of the bottle so you can see this. These bottles are what I found at my local grocery store, one store that I went to. You can see that there's 3, 6, 9, 12, there's 15 different styles of disinfectant here, and each one of them has a varying number of contact time, the amount of time the surface has to remain wet in order to kill. This speaks to just how difficult it is to get the right disinfectant for your needs and to grab the right tool and to let it sit as long as it needs to sit. Now, you can eliminate all of this by switching over to an atomizer, which doesn't require you to let the product sit and dry because it actually just dries on its own and doesn't have to be wiped away. But some important key notes here, not many people realize that there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 10-minute dwell times on some of the most popular brands out there. So when you see someone spraying and wiping, and if they wipe immediately, you can be assured that they did not let it hit the dwell time, didn't hit the contact time, and therefore just sanitized and didn't disinfect.